In primetime news this evening, slap on the wrist, no prison time for foreign nationals guilty of attempting to export cocaine. Stop the steal. Technology Minister proposes scrap metal industry suspension amid escalating losses due to theft. And later, Indicom report shows more fatal police shootings this year.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, more business and industrial spaces are coming as the Factors Corporation of Jamaica, FCJ, spends billions to meet the demand. Stick around for the details later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jermaine. Jermaine, what do you have for us for sports?
Well, thanks, Herman. After 2 days without football, the FIFA World Cup resumes tomorrow with quarterfinal action. We'll tell you about the matchups a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are you doing to keep safe during the Christmas season?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.